In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a new feature on Instagram Threads, which allows you to create your own news threads. So I created two here just to test it out. So one is Strictly Come Dancing, which brings up all the Strictly Come Dancing news, and I'm a Celebrity is there. So to create a new thread, all you have to do is long press on the top here where it says For You Following Strictly. Long press your finger and you see there's an option for create new feed. So in here we will do Christmas UK. Now you can add people into this. As you can see, there's accounts there, or we can just use the tag name Christmas UK and hit the next button. Now we just want to give it a title, Christmas UK, and we hit the done button. Okay, so now if I scroll across to Christmas UK, this will go searching for anyone that's basically said about Christmas UK, and that's basically it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.